It's April 24th, a Saturday, and I'm actually sitting in Pell City, Alabama, which is just east of Birmingham. And right now, the area is under a high risk of severe weather, specifically the potential for long track tornadoes. Very rare that SPC puts out a high risk, but we're under high risk today. And we've also just been placed under a PDS tornado watch. That's a particularly dangerous situation. And let me show you what's going on right now on the radar. You can see I'm actually located right here. This is the Birmingham metro area, which is under a severe thunderstorm warning at the moment. You can see some of the storms that are coming in from Mississippi, and we expect that these storms potentially could produce tornadoes, but the bigger threat of tornadoes actually will come after these storms move through. And let me give you another quick overview of what's going on in the region.